experience in finance domain of 11 years, plus 8 years of teaching experience. His current research interests include the areas of financial statements, financial services, and bank study tour to Singapore and Malaysia. He is a certified financial planner and a member of Financial Planning Standard Board of India and the Society of Financial Planners Pune. He is associated member.
And I always want to be among the students. That's why I prefer this mic. Okay. Next 45 minutes, okay, we are committing a time, our valuable time. Remember one thing in life. When we commit a time, we should create value out of it. Right? So if we are here for 45 minutes, you should ensure that we will have at least one or two learning take away from this session. I go across all institutes across India. I have mentors 8,000 students, right? In the process, I am also learning from students. So I am also a student, okay? Because you come up with some completely different mindset, different thought process, and to deal with that and understand, as well as you have very innovative ideas. In the process I also learn. So next 45 minutes, I'm not going passively lecture. Okay. So in between, if you have any query, doubt, or anything, please stop my session. That question is more important for me than passively lecture, right? And today, I'm not here to teach you or cover some concept or anything. Some insight about life. Fortunately or unfortunately, I'm making a statement which is very relevant to you. Fortunately or unfortunately, I am a commerce graduate. Why I am saying fortunate and unfortunate? Unfortunate for my student because I know what happens in commerce. Especially the student. Okay. Fortunate for me because in the third year there was similar kind of interaction from one of the industry expert. That was my turning point. Believe me, till third year, I was also very casual student. कैसे तो भी फर्स्ट क्लास के आसपास परसेंटेज आता था, बाकी सब टाइम पास. But in third year, and right point, I accepted one guest as a mentor. And that was changing point to my thought process. Okay. Then after I completed my ICW, I completed my diploma in taxation law from Symbiosis. I done my MBA from Narsimhanji Institute of Management Studies, NMIMS, Mumbai. Okay. I done my CFP, Certified Financial Planning from US. I worked for 11 years in corporate. And from last 8 years, I am torturing my student in finance. So that is the best subject to torture the student. Right? But very interesting. How we take that subject is important. Okay? So next 45 minutes, we are only talking way to become a rich. How we will see that, okay? And not talking to the chairs in that hall. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. I don't know whether this is visible for you. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right? I will give 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay? To read this story. A very simple story. A boy, a small boy, age 11 years. Okay, you read on yourself. Yeah. Do you know what is his net worth today? Net worth मतलब उसके पास कितना पैसा है? that is $117 billion. मतलब 100 कंट्रीज जो वर्ल्ड में उनके जीडीपी से ज्यादा उसकी वेल्थ है. एनी केस हु इज दिस बॉय? वेरी गुड. हु इज दैट? वॉरेन बफेट. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम हिम. ओके, टुडे this $117 billion, after donating 80 billion of his wealth to different society welfare, फिर भी अभी उसका एक शेयर वो कंपनी का, do you know what is the price? त्रिपाठी जी, कितना है एक शेयर का प्राइस मालूम है?
सर इट इज अप्रॉक्स 1 करोड़.
हाँ, वो 1 करोड़ वो बिफोर पैंडेमिक था. उसका एक शेयर की प्राइस है अभी 3 करोड़ 40 लाख. उसकी कंपनी का एक शेयर अपन बाय नहीं कर सकते, राइट? एंड यू कैन इमेजिन द पीपल हु इन्वेस्टेड एट $10 और आज 3 करोड़ 40 लाख. ओके, नाउ आई हैव पुट द स्टोरी हियर. This entire session is on this story, and we can learn the fundamentals of financial planning and how we can be rich. तो ये स्टोरी से आपकी क्या क्या लर्निंग है आप बता सकते हो? इससे क्या क्या सीख सकते हो बता सकते हो? 1 by 1, एनीवन? क्या बता सकते हो ये स्टोरी से? बताओ बताओ, whatever. No answer is wrong for me. No answer is wrong for me. The wrong thing is only keeping silence. Okay? तो कोई आंसर रॉन्ग नहीं. बताओ कोई आंसर? क्या सीख सकते हैं इससे? क्या है मतलब ये स्टोरी? व्हाट इज टेक अवे? बताओ कुछ भी. Anything? Yes. Good. What's your name? Mohammed Mas. Yeah.
I think that earning money is not that hard, but it's that you know how to multiply it.
Yes. Okay. That is true. How to multiply is, yes, earning money is very easy. Okay. But active approach is important. So yes. And his active approach, if you see, by this age, he had a land. By this age, your age, he had a stocks, right? And he had 2-3 income source also. Yeah. और क्या है? Rightly said. Mohammed has answered correctly. Anything. इसमें स्टोरी में है, सब हिंट्स है यहाँ पे. और क्या है? बताओ. Anything? हाँ, Mohammed, yes.
So we should not solely rely on a single source. Absolutely.
You must have heard, don't keep your eggs in one basket. Okay? You never in the life. Okay? How many of you read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad? How many of you? आपको अगर रिच बनना है, आपको अगर पढ़ना मतलब रीडिंग की हैबिट नहीं है, देर आर सॉफ्ट कॉपी अवेलेबल जहां पे आप जो वॉकमैन मतलब ऑन द मोबाइल ईयरफोन यू कैन हियर दैट बुक. ऑडियो कॉपी भी अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन. यू शुड रीड दैट. यू नेवर एवर rely on one source of income in life. That is there. He invested in stock. He invested in real estate. He worked in grocery shop. Right? He started a machine, ball machine, that game, video game. Right? So there should be multiple source of income should be there. Right? What is that? Diversification. ये स्टोरी से सब फाइनेंस कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत क्लियर हो सकते हैं. दैट इज मल्टीपल सोर्स. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन से क्या होता है? आपकी रिस्क कम हो जाती है. यू विल हैव मॉडरेट रिटर्न but diversification will reduce the risk. And this has been experienced big time in pandemic. Pandemic में दो one shutter shops थे. There was a research done. One shutter shop out of 10 shutter shop, 3 are closed permanently. क्योंकि एक छोटा बिजनेस था. They were dependent on solely on one income, and they could not restart after the pandemic. Right? ये लोग कहाँ गए? ये नौकरी करने लगे, छोटा मोटा कुछ तो भी काम करने लगे, शॉप बंद हो गए उनके दुकान कॉन्फिस्केट, मतलब बैंक वालों ने ले ली या मालिक ने ले ली, सब हो गया. राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज दे वेर नॉट रेडी टू फेस द challenges which are coming. One source. Second most important for any investment or finance, very important, it is captured here in this story, and that is, कोई बोल सकता है, that is age. Exactly, you pointed out the right direction. लेकिन age से क्या है, मतलब not only that it is capturing age बताया, लेकिन उससे सीख क्या है?
There really is no limit to what we can start earning and start investing in. We can do it as early as possible. There's no limit.
Exactly. The point here is finance का है. Mohammed, you are going good girls. Okay. Right. But exactly on point. We think that after graduation we will start. Okay. Or graduation के बाद post graduation. That is also good. But you should have focus. The point finance learning is you should start as early as possible to get highest return. Highest return. And how you will get, I will show practically, and it is very practical. But from this story, our learning is diversification to reduce risk. Start as early as possible. You will have very high return. Third is, if you see, he has invested into some of the fundamental investment option, real estate, okay, and a regular income. It is passive income. He has bought the land and rent out. उनको कुछ नहीं करना है, इनकम आते रहेगा. So this is money working for you and you are not working for the money. ये बहुत important है, बहुत important है, right? He has not kept in FD. FD, fixed deposit, has a negative return, okay, negative return in real terms, okay? क्योंकि आपको मालूम है इन्फ्लेशन 6-7% है, ये गवर्नमेंट की फिगर है. जब तक अपने पास गुड्स आते हैं, रियल इन्फ्लेशन इट इज अराउंड 10%, 11%. एफडी कितना रिटर्न देता है? 6%. और आपका इन्फ्लेशन है 11%. You already has a negative return of 6%. So he has not kept in FD. He invested into different product and that is giving a lot of return to him, right? So that is start early, diversification, okay? And most important, you are in graduation. Your college may be from, say for example, 9 to 4 or whatever, right? You will have some holidays, summer vacation or something. I strongly recommend, and in fact your college must be doing lot of things. I was going through the notice board, internship, right? I recommend that, okay, if it is mandatory, you have to do it. But on your own, do lot of internship. corporate are appreciating this if you do internship because it is a lot of learning and it will help you in the career also. The breakthrough in the getting a job and high paying job, good companies. So I strongly recommend. What he has done, he worked in grocery shop where he understood the consumer behavior, how to sell, how the consumers are buying, what is the pricing, how to manage a shop. He was learning that. He set up a business, very small business, but he earned there. So he has the experience how to execute the project, how to do the business, whatever small. But these learnings are very important for you. So I strongly recommend you should do internship, not for the sake of money, for the learning. But nowadays, companies also paying for the internship. So you will learn. And whatever you earn, इसी तरह करना है. Whatever small investment, you should invest. And you will have a taste of return. And that is the first step of becoming rich. ये कहां से ट्रांसफॉर्म हुआ मालूम है? जो पेपर डालता वो पेपर डाल के उन्होंने फर्स्ट स्टॉक खरीदा और आज वो इतना